Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, July the 20th. Well, a bullish day today. A nice extension of the body size of the candle, which is what we want to see in an uptrend, and a green candle, which means that the market was bullish. Now the market opened near the low and closed near the high, which means that the bulls were in control for the whole day, and they're showing some sort of commitment. And the good thing is that we're trading above this zone of resistance that we identified. We only have one more hurdle to take out, and that was that previous swing high. Now that zone probably should extend up to around here, to around roughly about 960 or 956, 957. If we have a solid close up above there tomorrow with a nice bullish day and we close up above 957, then this market will end up trading up to around 1,000 eventually. There's not really any strong resistance all the way from here to 1,000. Now looking at how we're trading in relation to the Ichimoku indicators, we're above the cloud, and trading above the cloud means that the market is bullish. Now if we look at this pullback here, the market pulled back down into the cloud. We know that trading within the cloud is neutral, and at no stage did we trade down below the cloud. Now that's quite important to the bullishness of this market. It means that the bulls were strong enough to not trade the market down below the Kumo or the cloud. So the bears really didn't have any strength. So a strong likelihood that we will trade up above here and keep trading to the upside. We're also trading above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, which means that the market has a positive bias as well. And we don't have the crossover of the Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen yet, but that will happen within the next day or so. It's almost crossed over. If we look at the direction of the Tenkan-sen, it's pointing up fairly sharply, which reflects this strong uptrend here. The Kijun-sen has turned flat and then turned down slightly, but that really isn't anything of concern. It should turn up fairly soon. It'll probably turn flat and then turn up fairly soon. But the main thing is that the market is trading up above all of these Ichimoku indicators, which reflects the bullishness. Now, just looking at this first time frame uptrend, no red candles in that first time frame uptrend as well, which is quite positive for the strength of this market. Now, be aware though that when we have a nice strong trending up move like this, markets will relax. This market won't continue trending up forever, and there still is a chance that this area here at around 957 will hold as resistance. And what we need to do is look at how the candle reacts around that area. If we see some bullishness coming in, then we might trade off down to the top of the Kumo. That is a possibility. So what we have to do is keep an eye on the low of the current candle. If that's taken out, then we'll find some potential support down here. And we need to watch the high of the current candle in this area at roughly 957. So good expectations for the market for the next day or so, and we hope to see a nice strong close up above this area. But we shouldn't count our chickens before they're hatched, and we shouldn't try to preempt the market. So we go with the flow. The trend is up. We assume that we will take out that area, but we don't trade that yet. I think for those of us that are the least risk averse, wait for a definite strong close up above this 960, 957 area.